Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best seat warmers for cars in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Snailax Car Seat Warmer. This is a leading brand in the seat cushion manufacturing industry. The company is popular for designing high-grade and innovative products, and Snailax Memory Foam Massage Seat Cushion is the best you can get. It is a car seat warmer cum massager, and hence, you will get the ultimate comfort when you are inside your car. The car cover massager comes with 6 different massage motors, and it relieves your body from muscle soreness, tension, and fatigue. Therefore, it is highly useful for long car rides and even while riding back home after a tiring work day. You can select which part of the body you want a massage, such as upper back or lower back. In fact, there are 5 different modes and 4 massage intensity levels available. Coming to heat therapy, you get 2 different settings, and you can turn on heat without massaging. The cushion also has overheat protection as well as auto shut-off feature. The comfort factor is high thanks to soft polyester cover and memory foam cushion. The cover has a non-slip bottom, and the double elastic straps ensure perfect fitting. Apart from the car seat, you can use it in any regular chat seat as well. Number 2. Our second best pick is HealthMate Car Seat Warmer. HealthMate is another popular brand in the car seat cushion category. The brand has a wide range of car seat warmers, and this seat cushion is a great product. You can use the warmer for a car seat as well as a chair, as you can attach it easily and get a heat massage. The car seat warmer has plush foam and soft polyurethane that is comfortable, and it retains the heat as well as dissipates properly. In the wired remote, you get high and low settings so that you can set the heat level as per your requirements. Coming to its structure, there are 4 clips and 2 elastic straps for ultimate fitting and preventing the warmer from moving around. All you need to do is plug and play it into a 12V socket and unplug when not in use. Most importantly, the warmer has universal fitting, and you can set it in your car, truck, RVs, boats, and chairs in your home. You can fold and store it, and there is a safety fuse for protection. Number 3. Our third best pick is HealthMate Winter Car Seat Cushion. HealthMate needs no introduction as a brand in the car seat warmer category, and we have already listed one of their seat cushions. HealthMate IN9438-2 Velour Winter Seat Cushion is another great product with lumbar support. Therefore, if you have a back issue, this is the car seat warmer you should opt for. The material quality is top-notch as it comes with soft polyester. It feels highly comfortable and luxurious. The gray color will fit in perfectly with the luxurious car interior. The maximum temperature the warmer can achieve is 114 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, you get a lumbar support, which is the main selling point, and it is 1/2 inch in thickness. The remote control contains high and low heat settings as well as an off switch. The secure strapping system ensures it stays in its place. The heat distribution is even for ultimate comfort. You can use the warmer for different types of seats in cars and indoors. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is MYNTA Seat Cushion with Heat. This is an Indian brand, and it is particularly popular for producing quality products at cheaper price tags. This seat cushion with heat is a decent product that works on human body pressure. Therefore, it won't stay turned off even when you forget to turn it off, which adds to safety and protection. You cannot activate the warmer beforehand, as it gets activated only when a person sits on the car seat cushion. This is because there is a pressure sensor, and this protects the seat cover from staying activated when switched on. The material is completely polyester, which is soft and cozy, that ensures comfort. The cover heats up in a minute, and hence, you won't feel the coldness for long when you are starting your ride. The maximum temperature achievable is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The warmth spreads across the full back, thighs, and hips. There are 2 adjustable straps available for better fitting. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is WellUp Heated Seat Cover. WellUp is a rather new brand in the market, and the company focuses on manufacturing budget car accessories. This heated seat cover is suitable for those looking for a heating pad for their car seat within a budget. The heated seat cover comes with 1-minute quick heating so that you can feel the warmth instantly. It covers the hips and thighs along with the full back. The heating gets activated only when you sit on the seat. Therefore, even if you turn on the cover or forget to turn it off, it will not heat up, and hence, it provides complete safety. Coming to the material, it has the cozy plush soft polyester for comfort and durability. There are adjustable straps available to keep it fixed in its place. Besides, the non-slip back is equally helpful. Last but not least, the brand offers a 1-year warranty on the product. You can only hand wash the product when required. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.